Hello. Hello. Whoa, a human. A human? I'm a human. That's obvious that I'm a human. Whoa, you can talk. Of course I can talk. Do you think I'm stupid? I'm just gonna answer, yeah. Anyways, I was about to go fishing. Okay. Till you interrupt me, okay? I wanna go fishing too. Yeah, we can fish together. Tap the ocean to throw the hook. Okay. Eat. I wanna collect some burgers. Is this a 4-cheese whopper? Is this a 4-cheese whopper from the Burger King? Cause I would like to eat a fish. Oh, I can't breathe. Whoa, we're talking burger. Yeah, first a talking cat, then a talking burger. And haven't seen one of those before. Yeah, well, I haven't seen a talking cat before. Why are you taking away from me from my home? Oh, we need friends. Cause we're lonely and have no friends. You don't need water. Just drink from water. You don't belong there. What are you talking about? Water. Nice joke. I was in the ocean for 20 years. Are you 35 years old? No wonder. Damn. The cats roast him. Even the fish will say damn. Don't worry, we'll catch you a friend. Don't kill more burgers. Don't tell me what to do. Dude, he's probably already older than you. Wait, no. Nah. Yeah, let's get another friend. Whatever. Oh. Woo. Yum. Thanks for the snack. Wait, your other burger? Okay, I think he is. How do you say that? Okay, let's just to be family friendly, and let's just say he eats his own people. Let's say that. We're supposed to be friends with it. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're a piece of food too. Hey, stop copying me, you cat. I don't have a choice. It's eat or be eaten in this world. Well, you know I can eat you too. No, it's not. Okay, then I won't eat you. Just catch another one. Just please don't eat it. It's fine. It's gonna eat them. It's gonna oh. Hey! Yeah, I agree with you. What you want? How am I supposed to make a living when you eat everything I catch? Don't worry, I'll pay you back. Watch this. Okay, that's the best part. What are you doing? You're kind of freaking me out. Hold on, let me try again. What is that? Oh, that was amazing. No, it wasn't actually. Do that again. Sure, I'll do it. You know, now you already ate 2 burgers. Fine. That's cringe. Yeah, I'm gonna be rich. That's literally 200 pesos. You are not rich right now. That's 200 pesos. Okay, dollars. Why can't we collect more burgers? Oh, okay. So, we need to get some this. Okay. Oh. What if I don't get any food? Okay, that's impossible. That is impossible to get. No food. Oh, okay, I have. So literally, some dragon fruit. Cool. Huh? There's no talking? No talking? Are you serious? Oh, a chest. Dang it. I'm gonna get the chest. Get the chest. And I see a house below. Chest. Oh. Whoa, there's so many cute fields here. Okay, yeah. 2 of them are cute, but there's gonna be more. What's inside you? It's a secret. Makes sense. Come on, just tell us. No. Look, if you had a secret, would you tell us? That's what I thought. I'm sorry, it's hard for me to open up to people. Let me guess. We have to collect the pesos, the food, to make, and this will go. The bar will go up. Whenever I open up, people just take everything and leave. Rip. That's so relatable. Well, I keep taking everybody's muffins. Oh well. Muffins. The key thing to do is just keep feeding your foods. Yeah. Okay, good question. No, he's not okay. He's been dreaming about these talking foods. And I've been dreaming about these talking cats who has a dream. Who is taking care of talking animals. Wait, no, talking food. And has seen a talking chest. Makes no sense. Oh, there's a house. I guess we're gonna have another cat. I want to live. Okay, I can collect burgers from Cap City. Yeah, I'm gonna save it for that day. Oh, burger. Yo. Dang it. Oh. Yeah, I'm saving it for this. Need, oh, dang it. Now we buy this. Level 3, now we get a, whatever this is. It's a lovely cat. That cafe. You sure saved my... I hate jokes. No, I know, jokes are funny, but I keep seeing jokes. Sure. What does that even mean? Seriously, you're a lifesaver. Lifesaver, actually. I can't believe I caught... I can't believe I caught another entire cafe. Yeah, with a cat in it. Tommy in it. What are you doing? Where are the ocean? They're probably having fun and drowning. Okay, I never do. Drowning mostly. I knew it. I guess that makes sense. Ouch. I'm surprised you were strong enough to pull me. Yeah. Okay, the cafe is thick. Yeah, I work at... Where's your... Yeah, no, you don't. Don't. Thanks. And it doesn't work out, you... Pay the cat? Give him some fish. Yeah, fish. Cats love fish, right? So, give him fish. Yeah. Eat? Well, that's weird. Okay. Yeah, I'll make some drinks. I usually sell them, but I'll give them to you for free. I'll make drinks whenever you close the app. I'll give it a try. How does this cat know that this is a game? Life is a game. So, okay. Relaunch the app to continue. Okay, there. So, we're launching the app. Back, swipe the drink. Oh, is that energy drink? Monster drink? Nice. Thanks for the drink. I didn't have some, So can I have some? Please. Whoa, you ate the whole thing. Yeah, he did. The container isn't edible, It's okay. My digestive system is amazing. Also, it's faster to eat the thing. I only have so long before I die. Gotta save time whenever I can. Well, you can die right now by me. I can eat you. Container might make you die sooner, but whatever. Important thing is, wait. So, his death is not important? Yeah, a cool cat, yet so heartless cat. Heartless cat. Important thing is that my drinks make you throw up a lot of coins. Well, you don't care about his death? I'll make drinks for up to 2. Yeah, that's hours while you're away from the game. Sounds good. You want vacation when my cafes full of drinks? Sure, great. I want this city, but I have to get some these nuts. I'm joking. I'm gonna just be AFK. I'm numb. Okay, I can collect 3 seeds now. Oh, I really want a burger. Whoa. I'm gonna really get a burger. Oh no. Hi, 2 burgers. All I want for Christmas was like I think 5 months ago. 4, I don't know, or 6. Oh. Okay, maybe I can have. I'm gonna save up some. How do I talk? Oh wait, we're close to the chest. One more food. Who's texting me right now? Oh. Thanks for unlocking me. There's 4 capacity boosts. I can't pronounce it. They will help you catch a lot more food each round. Want to watch an ad? I can't believe the chest and the orange kit knows that life is a game. That's what they're in right now. I'm not talking about real life. No thanks. No thank you. Okay, maybe I can collect more burgers. I don't know. To level 4. Gonna get some French fries! I love French fries! They're even a chicken nugget. They're even a chicken nugget. You want fries with that game? I would get some from McDonald's. No. Hope you're happy because I'm not. Why are you? Everything's wrong. Yeah, everything's wrong because some of us has no dad. Some of us are. So, yeah. Nothing is real. Nothing is real. It's real. Just all a simulation. Yep, it is. Not life. No, life is a game. What I think. All I get to do is slide around the dock. You mean this bridge? Yeah, you get to race the other fruits. What a waste of time. Sucks. Wait. At least I can spare other fries by eating them. Yeah, at least I won't get hungry. Nothing is real. Nothing is real. Okay, I need another. Okay, can we text them? Wait, no. Hi. It's nice to meet you, cat. Number 1. You. Okay, I'm joking. You too. You too. Talk? No. You too. How about some Abs. Yeah. Yes. Let's play. Hi. It's nice to meet you, cat number 1. You too. Ambs. Yes. These nuts. Everything sucks. Yeah. Okay, I got this one. Dang it. That was a waste of time. I didn't get anything. Oh, look at that. Okay, got a turtle. A pup joke. Whoa, what fell on my head? On my roof. That scared the beep. Okay, maybe that's not a bad word. The beep out of me. I don't know. It's like a portal. It is a portal. I wonder where it goes. Probably on your cafe. I'm joking. Oh wait, it doubles it. It doubles the food. I just know it. I think maybe I'm dumb. Yep, I am absolutely dumb. Oh, I'm not dumb. Oh, 3 foods. Well, the portal duplicates the foods I caught. Caught. Hello, I'm under the water. That's amazing. Looks like it's closed now, though. Okay, that's weird. I hate light. No, I could have made so much more money. Money isn't life, cat. kit number 1. I'll try to find a way to open it up again. No, you won't. You will just poop around. Okay, you need to get to level 5. But that's so much. Figure out all the levels. I was joking, it's powered by X. Wow, that's even worse. Yeah, that could spin my whole internet. People want me to watch ads. Because we need the ads. Because ads always need in games. That's worse. I mean, ads are always in games. Except Roblox and Minecraft. I think. And other games. Like multi. You know. Can it just work? Well, it's the creator's fault for making the game. Eat the bet. It's probably the. No, wow, you want me to watch ads too? Yes. It's the right thing to do. Yep. Of course to say that. Of course not. Of course, yes. Of course I will get this, but I will have. Maybe I have no portal. Oh, a shovel. A shovel. Too bad. Oh, I got it. Probably didn't work. No ads available.